Form I-512T TPS travel document explained. Need to leave the U.S. while on temporary protected status? Don't book your trip just yet. Traveling abroad without proper authorization and documents could result in being denied re-entry to the U.S., losing your TPS status, or jeopardizing your future green card eligibility. To avoid those issues, you'll need to obtain Form I-512T authorization for travel by an alien to the United States. Let's break it down. Form I-512T is a travel document that allows people with TPS to leave the U.S. and return legally. Without this travel document, leaving the country even for an emergency could cause serious immigration consequences. Before 2022, TPS holders traveled using Form I-512L, or Advance Parole. That worked, but it didn't always count as a formal admission into the U.S., and that could hurt your chances of getting a green card later. But with Form I-512T, TPS holders who return to the U.S. are officially considered inspected and admitted. That's a key requirement for many green card pathways, especially if you're adjusting your status from within the U.S. So who qualifies for Form I-512T? You must have TPS or a pending TPS application, show a valid reason for travel, not be barred from re-entry or removal, and file Form I-131 with the correct information and fee. Here's how to apply. Fill out Form I-131 and check the box in Part 2, Item 1D for TPS travel. Include proof of your TPS status. Provide a reason for your travel with evidence if possible. Mail the form to the address for your country's TPS designation on the USCIS website and pay the $630 filing fee for Form I-131. Processing typically takes 8 to 15 months, so plan early. A few more tips. I-512T is usually valid for the duration of your trip or up to 1 year. Check your approval notice for specific details. You can request expedited processing in emergencies, but you'll need to submit supporting documents. Each family member with TPS, including children, must file their own I-131 to receive individual travel authorization. Finally, even with an approved Form I-512T, re-entry is never guaranteed. The Customs and Border Protection officer you encounter at the port of entry has the final say. If you've ever had immigration violations or criminal issues, it's smart to speak with an immigration attorney before traveling. Want to dive deeper into the details of Form I-512T? Hit the link in the description to read our full guide. And if you've got TPS travel questions, drop them in the comments.